know. We have a book of ideas because the paper method was a little messy. So happy VA Wednesday. Today I want to talk to you about something that a lot of people are intimidated by, and I really don't think you guys should be. There's a lot of shame around it. I also think there should be zero shame, okay? So we're going to talk about using a VA loan after having a VA foreclosure. Guys, it happens. It happened to like everyone in 2008, 9, 10, and 11. It is not something that as a lender, if you say I had a foreclosure, I'm like, ew, big deal. Everyone's had something bad. Okay, let's move on. So a lot of people think, oh, well, I had a foreclosure with VA, I can never get a VA loan again. That's not true. So let's talk about it. So first of all, it has to have been at least 2 years since you had that foreclosure, okay? So from the date of foreclosure to the new application, we really want 2 years, okay? Sometimes we can do the application sooner, you just can't close before the 2 years, but in most cases, it is best to wait because then you won't have to go through the manual underwrite process, which I've talked about in other videos. So 2-year waiting period. Okay, that's number one. Now, the next thing people go is, well, will I still have entitlement? It depends. So what I'm always gonna look at is your certificate of eligibility. And based on your certificate of eligibility, I can do a max mortgage worksheet, which will tell me what amount of entitlement you have left. People are often surprised that they have a lot left because what happens is bonus entitlement kicks in. So there's one weird part that can happen where you may have had a foreclosure, but in order to buy another house with zero down, you actually have to spend more than you want to, which can be weird. It can be like, you're like, well, I just want to spend $80K, and we're like, we're sorry, but that doesn't work with zero down, but you can do XYZ. So there is a little bit of weirdness to it, but it's definitely something that can be done. We do it all the time. It is not a big deal. So this isn't a super long video, but it's just for you guys to know, no shame. It's a VA foreclosure is not a big deal. It's not something that we're like rare. We see it all the time. We just have to look at your certificate of eligibility. We do a max mortgage worksheet to see what you can qualify for. That's it. You have a very good chance of still qualifying to buy a house again with VA with zero down. So I hope this video was helpful. I am licensed in 48 states to do VA mortgages. I would love to help you guys out. You know that. I'm giving my cell phone out on every video now. Why not? 707-478-0637. If you had a VA foreclosure, you want to buy another house, let's go. Let's do it. I'm in. Are you in? See you guys soon.